Hello everyone. So in this video, and we will set up our project. Okay. So firstly, we will go to here. So we will create a new project. So project name is project is okay. So 1 minute, 1 minute. New project we will create. Okay. Okay. So maybe archetype projects. Okay. So unit testing example we will say unit example. Okay. Okay, so internal. Okay, okay, okay. So new com dot coding widget. Okay, so repository we will set up. So new folder. Okay, okay. Internal in we will go to quick start. Maybe an archetype quick start. Okay, okay. So any other? JDK 17 we will use. Not available JDK 7. Okay, so JDK 21 we will use. Okay, so okay, create. Okay, so this project created, but now we can see this pom.xml file. Okay, or we will see what is this, and this already uh, we will add in this projects dependencies. So now uh, we will learn JUnit 4. So they are for JUnit 4 related dependencies we will add. Okay, okay. So it is already we are given the JUnit uh, dependencies in my projects. Okay, okay, okay. So now we will add the new dependencies. So one for project we will create. Okay. Uh, example. Okay. Maybe quick start, or and then we will mm, 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 archetype. Okay. Or add dependencies, and we will give calling widget. Okay. Right, right. So create. Okay. Okay, so already we given the dependencies JUnit. Okay, but I will use the JUnit for it is for we will add new dependencies. So it is for we will go to on the uh, maybe. Okay, so you will what you will search, how can we search unit for dependencies? So JUnit for maybe dependencies. Okay, so here we will go or click, and then we will add the dependencies for. Okay, so we will add dependencies uh, okay, here in this dependencies place we can use, here in this, here we can use dependencies. Okay, JUnit, JUnit for 2 version. Okay, okay, so you can, okay, okay, so JUnit 4 we will learn, or after that we will learn JUnit 5. So what now we will write the logic related to of the JUnit 4, how can we use JUnit, so that's about to we will see. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. Next video to be starting JUnit 4 logic. Okay, okay.